So what we're doing is we're just laying out all the pieces where they go for now. And then what we'll do is we'll go back over it. Once we have all the pieces in their place, then we'll go back over it and square everything up.
Yeah, we're just kind of setting them in place. You could peel it off and put it back on if you need to. And then we're going to kind of squeeze them all together how they need to go. But for now, we're just kind of hanging them.
Making progress.
All right, so we're here for day 2 of installing this wrap. I think the hood's coming out pretty good. We have most of the side done. We still have to do under the fenders and of course the other side. Eric's not here yet. So we're getting a fire going so it gets nice and warm in here, and just wanted to show you what you can expect is to get sheets of stickers. See the sheets? That's one sheet. There's another sheet up there. We got another sheet up there. We got a sheet up on this buggy. We got a sheet back there on the bench. Pretty much there are a ton of stickers that it comes with for a wrap, and you have to figure out where they all go. But I think it's coming out good. I think it's coming out real good. Look at that right there. We haven't heated this down yet. This is just stuck on there, placed in, but I think that right there looks really nice. So, like I said, just trying to get a fire started over here. Something to show you is how easy it is to place these on here. And you can peel it off, you can put it back on, you kind of get it in place, pull it off. When you get it where you want it, you heat it up and it kind of shrink wraps right to it. You can see all this is just kind of hanging on here. But like I said, once we heat it up, this will all contour up in there real nice, get all the bubbles out, it wraps around. It sounds like Eric is here. Let's go check. Hey!
Hi.
Eric!
Little Daisy!
What's up?
Little Daisy.
You ready for round 2?
I'm ready for round 2.
Alright.
This thing knocked out.
Black stripe, yellow paint. Them niggas scared of it, but them hoes ain't. Soon as I hit the club, look at them hoes' face. Hit the pedal once, make the floor shake. Sway inside, my engine roaring. It's the big boy, you know what I paid for it. And I got the pedal to the metal. Got you niggas checking game, I'm balling out on every level. Hear them haters.
Got Dave's buggy all done. First look in the daylight. Not that daylight out though. Looking good. You a happy camper, Dave? Take a million pictures.
I'm pretty excited. I gotta get a picture from every angle. So the question was, can you do it yourself? Friggin' wrap a buggy, right? I think the answer is yes. But what would you say? The material is probably a big deal, right?
Yeah. I mean, pretty easy. I don't know.
I'm saying the material.
Take your time, meticulous. Yeah, I'm sure that makes a difference, I guess. I don't know.
Well, we were able
I've never done a wrap before. It's the first one I've done, so I don't have anything to compare against.
We were able to pull it off and put it back on a whole bunch of times. Man, I freaking dig it. That's a lot of yellow. There's a lot of yellow in this buggy now.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Looks good.
Looks good. Would you do another one?
Yeah, I'd help do another one.
You would?
Yeah.
Not that much of a pain in the ass?
Not too bad. Be easier next time.
Easier next time.
Got about 6 hours into this one. That's not to include prep, but it'd go faster next time. Kind of get a better idea how things go. So, yeah.
But there's nothing you could tell them. Just made $1 million, got another million on my schedule. No love for them, nigga breaking hearts. No keys, push to start.